Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how to leave note on Instagram. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So what is note? Well, in Instagram, when you go to your Instagram chat, you can see like a bunch of people's profile picture, and on top of their profile picture, some slogan written, right? So that's basically what Instagram note is. And if you're still confused, then I will show you how to add it. But make sure to update your Instagram because this feature is available in the latest version of Instagram only. So do that and then follow the steps which I will show you. Before I show you the steps, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more Instagram videos just like this. After you open Instagram, at the top right, you can see the message icon. Click on it. Now instead of message icon, it might show you a little pointy arrow icon, but doesn't matter, takes you to the same place. Once you click on it, at the top you can see your note option. You want to click on the plus right beside your note option, and over here at the top it says share a thought. Over here you can type whatever you want, anything you want. So I will type this. So this is basically what I have written. Have a nice day, so other people will see it. Now if you want to add music as well, you can see this little music icon at the bottom. Click on it and choose the music you want and click on done, and the music has been added as well, just like this. Now I can click on share at the top right, and as you guys can see, my note has been shared over here, and anyone who opens the message, if they follow me, then they can see it. That's how you guys can leave a note on Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.